The world currently appears to be facing unprecedented climate disturbances. This is being felt through a number of dysfunctions such as longer dry seasons, reduced rainfall, and rising sea levels due to melting polar ice. Climate change is directly linked to the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere caused by GHG emitting activities such as energy consumption, industrial processes, and land transformation. Madagascar, like many countries, is suffering from the direct effects of climate change, with an estimated 8% decrease in rainfall over the past 30 years that accelerates drought. Thus, a large part of the island is at risk of becoming a desert and arid zone, as is already happening in the southern and southwestern part of the island. Moreover, this disruption is also manifested in the intensification of natural disasters, such as cyclones, causing loss of life and infrastructure. More than 95% of the Malagasy population continues to use wood as a domestic energy source. Collecting wood for cooking is both a major cause of deforestation and a significant contributor to GHG emissions, especially CO2. This is one of the reasons why the Madagascar Improved Cookstove by KCM project was designed. Indeed, developed by KCM or Korea Carbon Management with the contribution of national structures such as Madagascar Ecovision and the NGO Tandavanal, this project is registered under the CDM or Clean Development Mechanism under the Kyoto Protocol. Madagascar Improved Cookstove by KCM was approved by the Ministry of Environment and Sustainable Development in 2018. Subsequent to the studies and analysis of fuel consumption, the culinary habits of the population and the type of improved stove suitable for each household, carried out by the NGO Tandavanal, 2 prototypes of improved stoves validated and certified by the CNRIT or National Center for Industrial and Technological Research are chosen to be popularized. The portable improved stove called Suarate and the fixed improved stove called La Machine. The improved Suarate stove is made from baked clay covered with metal sheeting, whereas the La Machine is designed with masonry bricks. The latter is installed in the beneficiary's kitchen and has the advantage of being equipped with a single wooden entrance and 2 pot holders. Both types of improved cookstoves aim at reducing fuel wood consumption and thus deforestation by over 60%. In this way, they will also contribute to mitigating greenhouse gas emissions and thus climate change. Furthermore, the aim of the project is to contribute to the improvement of the living environment of the population by reducing smoke inside the house, reducing cooking time, and reducing the budget for buying fuel wood.
Taloha zany ngay somalaga kitay dia tamin'ny kalesa dia sy nahazo ny masinina ngay amin'izao dia indroa indraiky isa-tapa-bolana fa taloha ngay indroa isan-kerinandro malaka ny kitay agnaty ala agny fa amin'izao zany dia misoroko fa tsy mitondra kalesa koa dia mina ety ny hiazo mihatapy amin'izao dia farany mba misy ny masinina io dia mba lasa mba mifitsy ihany ny fatagna aloha.
Tena nahafaka anahy tamin'ny fahasahiranana zany amin'ny fampiasana io fatagna io ny fatagna sady tsy mandany kitay be. Raha ohatra zany anay taloha na lany kitay entany 2 isan-kerinandro, dia amin'izao zany anay kitay entany 2 fotsiny isan-kerinandro. Dia ny kitay koa ny fatana koa tsy mandany fotoana hoe dia mipetraka eo ambodin'ny fatagna eo no miasa, fa izao hitanareo zao sady afaka mandrary aho no afaka mahandro no masoko tsy maharatratra ny setroko satria tsy mamoaka setroka be zany io fatagna soarehitra io fa setroka kely ihany. Dia tena tombontsoa zany raha noharina tamin'ny fatagna hoe toko-telo nampiasainay teo aloha. Tamin'ny nampiasa toko vy zany rehefa mandrary ohatran'ity dia harina ray ihany no vitako ny ray andro. Fa amin'izao zao rehefa mampiasa ny soarehitra dia mahavita 2 mbola afaka misaina mpianatra koa rehefa hariva satria misy zafikely mipetraka amina hato dia afaka mandeha misaina anazy ihany no sady mahavita bazary 2 ohatran'ity.
Before every distribution or installation of improved cookstoves, depending on the prototype chosen for a village, information sharing on climate change and the requirements of the clean development mechanism and the carbon market is provided to the beneficiaries. They are then trained in the use and maintenance of improved cookstoves. This stage is carried out in collaboration with the women's associations present in the village or municipality of intervention to facilitate household awareness raising. The distribution is carried out after the beneficiaries have signed a letter of commitment regarding the conditions of use of the improved cookstove. It is also digitized using a smartphone that records beneficiaries' information in a database to facilitate follow-up activities during the period of use of the cookstoves. Since its inception in 2018, the project has reached more than 220,000 households in 2021 in 107 communes in 2 major regions of Fianarantsoa province. Apart from the direct advantages to the beneficiaries, the project has created other added values, namely the creation of green jobs in both the production and distribution processes. As a result, over 530 direct jobs have been created since 2018. Together with local authorities and farmers' associations, the NGO Tandavanal, with the support of KCM, is also developing a reforestation activities in the areas where improved cookstoves are distributed. This is to increase forest cover while decreasing deforestation. The challenge of reducing deforestation and GHG emissions is still huge in Madagascar. This is illustrated by the low number of households reached by the project so far, estimated at around 5% only of those considered as potential fuel wood users.
We are happy that this Syrian project contributes to improve the life conditions of households in Madagascar, as well as it provides green jobs in some targeted regions. The use of improved cookstove reduces drastically the consumption of firewoods and then the emission of greenhouse gas. The challenge we are making now is how to reach a critical mass of households touched by this Syrian project, given that few localities only benefit from such program for the time being.